For a Gmail account when you don't remember anything, you must use Google's automated account recovery process by going to the link given on description and providing as much information as possible about the account. You will be asked questions to verify ownership, such as previous passwords, when you created the account, or to send a code to a recovery email or phone number. Use a device and network you frequently use to sign in for better chances of recovery. Steps for account recovery. Go to the account recovery page, navigate to Gmail account recovery login link. Enter your Gmail address, input the email address or username of the account you want to recover. Use a familiar device and location, attempt to recover the account from a computer, phone, or tablet and a location, like your home or office, that you have previously used to sign in to that account. Answer verification questions. The system will ask a series of questions to confirm your identity. These may include a previous password you remember, the year you created the account, a verification code sent to a recovery email address or phone number associated with the account. Provide best known information, answer every question as best as you can, even if you're not entirely sure. Reset your password. If you are successful in verifying your identity, you will be prompted to create a new, strong password that you have not used before. Important tips for success. Try multiple times. There is no limit to the number of times you can attempt the account recovery process. Use the right information. Try to recall as many details as possible about the account, such as previous passwords or the approximate creation date. Set up recovery information. If you do recover your account, immediately add and update your recovery email address and phone number to make future recoveries easier, as noted by in Google Help.